Congratulations po sa nanalo sa ating 500 peso giveaway sa ating previous video. Lahat po ng nanalo ay naki-indicate sa ating Telegram channel. And guys, nandoon na rin po yung procedure on how to claim your prizes. At kung gusto mo namang manalo for our giveaway on this video, mamimigay tayo ng 50 peso worth of GCash. Abangan nyo lang yung itatanong ko on this video. Put your answer in the comment section at pipili tayo ng winner on our next video. Okay, so hello guys. At ako nga po pala si Jazel De Vera at muling nagbabalik sa channel na ito. So if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell para makapanood ka ng may iba't ibang videos about home-based jobs at anything na pwedeng pagkakitaan online. So for today's video guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to be an effective BTC vendor here on Paxful. As you all know guys, we can earn here by buying and selling BTC. It's just like trading guys. Ang kakaiba lang dito is we are dealing with another user dito sa Paxful. Peer-to-peer kasi siya. And another difference here as well guys is they have lots of payment methods to choose from such as GCash, PayPal, banks, and a lot more guys. Kasi some people like to buy BTC using PayPal, like ayaw na nilang ma-hassle guys. Kaya nandito si Paxful as well to make things easier for them. Well guys, I already made an introduction video about Paxful. So included na po dyan yung how to sign up, yung verification, kung paano mag-buy and sell. So in this video, we will be more detailed and particular sa pag-earn ng mas malaking profit kada transactions. Plus, they are going to host another giveaway. It is the Big Bitcoin Days giveaway. 10,000 peso worth of Bitcoin will be given away to Paxful Filipino community on Telegram. The giveaway will run for 3 days. 10 lucky winners will be chosen randomly to win 1,000 peso worth of Bitcoin each. So here's the criteria. All community members, old and new, are eligible to join. Prizes will be credited to winner's Paxful wallet address. All 10 winners will be chosen randomly and announced on March 23, 2020, along with instruction on how to claim their prizes. So you can refer to the description box below for more information. So what are you waiting for? Join Paxful's Big Bitcoin Days giveaway today. So right now, we are here sa kanilang official website. And ayan po, may kita po natin yung mga testimonials and everything dito sa kanilang official website. So again, if you would like to join, gumawa na po ako ng introduction video about Paxful. Make sure na panood nyo na po yung ating part 1. So indicate ko lang naman po lahat yan sa ating description box. So as you can see right here, nandito tayo sa page where we can buy BTC dito sa Paxful. And right now, I'll be teaching you how to earn much more profit by buying and selling BTC dito. So kung isa-scroll down natin, makikita natin yung mga local offers dito sa Paxful. Like kung makikita nyo kasi dito guys, yung mga mode of payment like BPI, GCash, so PayMaya. Those are the mode of payments na available locally dito sa atin. Here I have an illustration kung ano yung mga kailangan nating i-consider when we buy BTC dito sa Paxful. Lalo na kung gusto natin siyang palaguin guys. So dito sa part na to guys, makikita natin yung name ng seller and then yung positive feedback and then ayan, makita rin natin kung online yung seller natin. And dito guys, makita natin yung mga mode of payments and here makita rin natin yung rate per Bitcoin. So dito sa illustration na to, makita natin yung mga highlighted at yun yung mga kailangan nating i-consider. When buying Bitcoin kasi, ang kailangan talaga nating makita rito is yung marked up prices. So makikita natin yung marked up prices dito, guys. So ano nga ba yung marked up prices? Diyan po nakabase yung magiging profit ni seller. Ito yung porsyento ng profit base sa market price. So looking at this selection right here, nakikita natin na si BloomX yung may pinakamababang markup price. Kung i-compare natin dito sa iba, mataas na po. And also guys, consider din natin na dapat marami ring pong positive feedback si seller. Oops! Commercial muna tayo, and this is my question for this video's giveaway. Bakit gusto mong manalo sa giveaway ni Paxful? Put your answer in the comment section at pipili tayo ng winner on our next video. Number 1 na kailangan nating i-consider dito, bukod sa mode of payment, bukod sa rating, is yung markup prices. So here's the thing guys, we bought BTC here on Paxful locally, means sa mga local vendors dito sa Philippines. For us to gain higher profit here is to sell them globally. So pwede natin siyang ibenta yung nabili natin locally to other users abroad. For example, nakabili tayo ng BTC dito kay BloomX. So local to guys dahil GCash. And pwede natin siyang ibenta through PayPal at taasan pa yung markup price. Like pwede natin paabutin ng 10% or even 20%. Kasi ang target natin na bumili ng ating BTC sa PayPal is yung mga taga-abroad. So guys, malaki na agad ang kita doon. Yun nga lang, may mga risk involved such as yung chargeback, mga ganon. So another example here is pwede natin siyang ibenta through Western Union. Ang kagandahan dito guys, number 1 is global po si Western Union. And wala pa siyang risk gaya ni PayPal. Kasi mas risky si PayPal, like marami siyang transaction fees, ganyan. And based sa statistics ng Paxful guys, mas maraming buyers ng BTC sa Western Union. Most likely mga taga Nigeria dahil mas mataas yung demand doon at kulang yung supply. So guys, pwede rin po sa MoneyGram dahil madali lang din makaklaim online using GCash guys. I think sa sa Western Union makaka-claim din tayo using GCash. So MoneyGram and Western Union are almost the same. And actually guys, hindi lang po yun yung mga mode of payments na pwede nating magamit dito sa Paxful because they have over 300 mode of payments to choose from. So hindi lang yung mga nabanggit ko guys. So makikita naman natin yan dito guys sa mismong official website. Like ayan o, 'di ba? They have 323 options ng mga mode of payments dito sa Paxful. And almost lahat yata ng mode of payments worldwide ay available dito. Kaya make use of it. Lalo na kung marami kayong access sa mga mode of payments. Ayan. So basically guys, yung idea lang naman natin dito is to buy locally with low markup prices and sell it globally with higher markup price. So now guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to set or create an offer dito sa Paxful. So, nandito tayo sa create offer page and makikita lang naman natin ito sa mismong menu bar guys. We have 3 steps here. First is to select payment method. Next is profit margin and trade limits. And next is the buyer terms and instruction. Pwede tayong mag-set ng offer like kung gusto nating bumili ng Bitcoin and mag-sell. So let's say nakabili na tayo kay BloomX a while ago and we would like to sell the Bitcoin that we already bought. Scroll natin sa baba and makikita natin dito yung step 1 which is to select payment method. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 categories to choose from. And kung ayaw nyo naman siyang hanapin talaga dito, pwede naman natin siyang i-search dito sa search engine. Like for example guys, we are going to sell it in Western Union. And right here guys, scroll down natin sa baba and we have to go with the preferred currency. Okay, so let's say ibenta natin siya in USD. So we can proceed to the next step once everything's okay. And then scroll natin sa baba and nandito na tayo ngayon sa profit margin and trade limit. So isa-set na natin ngayon yung ating markup price. Lalo na sobrang baba ng BTC ngayon. So it's a good thing for us to make use of the opportunity dahil maraming bumibili ng Bitcoin ngayon. So dito guys, ito na yung markup price. And ang kagandahan naman dito guys is pinapakita naman ni Paxful yung description on every decision that you will do. So like for example, 5%. So ang current Bitcoin market price now is 5,298.64 USD. So napakababa, 'di ba guys? Parang kailan lang 10,000 'yan. Nakapag-decide ka na ibenta siya 5%. So ang offer price natin ay 5,563.58 USD. Okay, kung ibebenta natin siya via Western Union, kumbaga 5% yung pinatong natin doon sa market price. So it means it is 105% of the market price. And here, I will get, ito yung magiging profit natin guys. So napaka-transparent ni Paxful dahil ini-indicate talaga niya kung magkano yung kikitain natin on every markup price that we set. So dito guys, makikita natin yung ating profit which is $264.93 US dollars. Ito yung pinakatubo natin kung makakabenta tayo ng 1 BTC sa Western Union. Ang kagandahan rin dito guys is meron din tayong offer trade limits. Setting these limits will only allow people to start trades with you between your minimum and maximum trade amount. So kasi syempre may balance tayo dito sa Paxful and sometimes baka ayaw nating ibenta lahat. So pwede tayo mag-set ng minimum and maximum trade. Pwede nyo i-indicate dito kung hanggang kailan yung offer ninyo. Kasi syempre we don't know, baka biglang tumaas sa market price yung BTC and ayaw naman nating malugi talaga tayo or ayaw naman nating, alam niyo yun guys. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa last step which is buyer terms and instructions. Isa-scroll down natin sa baba. Ayan, meron tayo dito. Step 3 it is to customize trade partner terms and instructions. So, ito maganda. Bigyan natin to ng effort dahil may kita yung ating uniqueness. Kasi syempre, pare-pares lang naman tayo nagbebenta rito sa Paxful, di ba? Kasi competition nito guys. So, we can indicate here our offer tags. Like for example, instant payout yung mga ganyan. So, yung mga ganon, always online. Kasi syempre, yun yung gusto ng mga customers natin dito, di ba? Ang gusto talaga ng mga buyer is yung fast transactions. Isa-scroll down pa natin guys. Pwede rin tayo mag-set ng offer terms for the buyers. So, indicate natin yan yung mga pwede nilang ma-encounter during the transaction, ganyan. Whether it's cash receipt or if they require to visit an external site. Shown publicly on your offer listing, this portion is purely informational and should not have details on how to complete. And here sa baba guys is the trade instruction. So it is one of the most important thing kasi dapat alam ni buyer yung gagawin niya. So si buyer guys, pag ini-start na niya yung trade, dun lang lalabas itong trade instruction. And then the next step here is the verification. So, require your trade partner to have verified their ID. So, it's optional naman guys, pero I think it's a good thing for us to check this one para mas maging transparent yung buyer natin. And here guys, pwede rin nating i-indicate yung target country natin. Like for example, Nigeria, dahil mataas yung demand doon ng BTC. Yung visibility, marami pa po tayong mga iba't ibang options dito. Like yung mga advanced options pa po. And then from there, you can create offer. And lalabas na po siya dito by BTC page ni Paxful, no? And pwede na tayo maghintay ng mga buyers. Ayun po guys, and nasabi ko na po yung kailangan nating i-consider, yung mga step-by-step process. But just remember guys na huwag kayong makikipag-transact outside Paxful's platform dahil kung makikipag-transact tayo sa labas, hindi na protected ng escrow system ni Paxful yung fund. And there's a bigger chance na pwede tayong ma-scam. Kasi siya yung pinaka-bridge kung saan magre-release ng pera. And then the next one guys, i-release lang natin yung BTC na binibenta natin only after we receive the payment. Put efforts sa terms, sa mga tags, sa mga title na ilalagay natin sa offer natin. And also yung mga instruction guys, dapat meron tayong format dyan. Must be very formal para maging clear ito sa ating mga buyers. And also guys, watch out for buyers negative reviews. Dapat chine-check natin yan para maging aware tayo sa mga users na may encounter natin dito sa Paxful. So here guys, kailangan din natin maging responsive para ma-accommodate natin ng maayos yung buyer natin. Siyempre, kung ma-accommodate natin yung buyer natin ng maayos, magkakaroon tayo ng positive feedback. And always follow this guys. Yung sinabi kong principle a while ago is to buy BTC with low markup price locally and sell it globally with higher markup price. Alright, so yun lang naman guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. And kung na-enjoy mo ito, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. And don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, Jazel De Vera Vlogs, okay? So have a nice day, God bless, and goodbye!